Ke Puwede ko pa bang sagutin 'yon o time is up na?
Yeah, I'll just allow it na. Just
Okay.
go ahead and answer that and then we'll have it on your side naman
Okay,
Attorney
ito
Levi.
kasi yung ano, ito kasi yung issue diyan talaga. What you don't understand is the Supreme Court is the final arbiter and yung Supreme Court ang talagang tumitingin sa batas para masunod lahat ito. Meron tayong rule na what you cannot do directly, you cannot do indirectly. So ang nangyayari kasi dito, no, there is actually unfairness if the Secretary General will be given that power. Pag titignan mo kasi, ang pinaka-issue dito na sinabi rin ng Supreme Court diyan sa sinasabi nyo na pagtago at saka pag-archive, okay? Pagtago at saka pag-archive is the Secretary General, sinabi niya na dahil walang sinabi sa akin kung kailan ko itra-transmit at ang nakalagay lang doon ay immediately, ibig sabihin, kaya kong i-transmit yan anytime I want. Di ba?